Dear children, today our story is The Clever Fox and Helpful Rabbit. In a peaceful meadow, there lived a clever fox named Flixie and a kind-hearted rabbit named Rosie. One sunny day, Rosie was gathering carrots when she saw Flixie looking hungry. Instead of being scared, Rosie decided to share her carrots with Flixie. Surprised by Rosie's kindness, Flixie thanked her and decided to repay the favor. Flixie knew of a field filled with juicy berries, and he led Rosie there. Together they enjoyed a feast of carrots and berries, laughing and chatting under the shade of tree. As they became friends, Flixie and Rosie discovered that they each had unique skills. Flixie was quick and clever, while Rosie was resourceful and kind. One day they faced a challenge when a monkey started taking all the vegetables from their meadow. Flixie came up with a plan, and Rosie used her kindness to convince monkey to share rather than steal. Their teamwork and friendship solved the problem, and the meadow became a place where all animals lived happily, sharing the resources and helping to each and others. So, sweet children, the moral of our story is that friendship and teamwork can overcome challenges, and sharing with others make the world a better place for everyone.